Welcome back to episode 4.
Look what you've done.
Because you love your gallons. Picked up a few more plants. Episode 4 of POTSCAPE with me.
Right.
Me, as if anybody gives it. Today we're going to be doing some potscaping on POTSCAPE. Would you believe it? I can't believe it's taken me up to episode 4 to actually do some potscaping. This is what I actually had in mind when I first set up this channel. I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet as possible so I can show you the time lapse. Yeah, the materials I was using actually relatively simple. I think they're seedling trays. I used to use them for seedling. I get them from my allotment shop for 25p each, which is an absolute steal. I also used a lot of scrim tape in this project as well. No reason other than I love using scrim tape. It's awesome. Everybody should invest.
No.
So here you go, Hibiscus forest time lapse now.